Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss the topic values. According to the father of Indian nation, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, if the wealth is lost, nothing is lost. If the health is lost, something is lost. But if the character of an individual is lost, everything is lost. So it's very much clear from the sentence that the supreme and the far most important thing is character of an individual. That is framed by your thoughts, your beliefs, the value system one possesses, the moral principle one follows while taking the decisions. So, majority of us nowadays running a race to maximize the wealth, maximize the profit, but very few of us are working towards character building. And for building up any nation or to make any stronger generation or a nation with full confidence, one requires the individuals with healthy character. So, above all the things is the character of an individual. That's why values are important. So, by the definition, values are concepts or beliefs that guide how we make decisions, and decisions are the end result of our whatever we are doing. So human values determine how a person will behave in a particular decision, in a particular situation. And to behave in a particular situation, one must give a thought and decide upon right and wrong, what he or she is supposed to do. And our doing depends upon our decision making, and our decision making depends upon our values. So the value system is hierarchy of values listed in an order. This is prioritization of values. What we choose over what? Like, suppose I want to be a wealthier person in this world. What modes of work I choose. Do I choose honesty over cheating? Or do I deceive people to make more wealth? That is prioritization of values. Like every grown up individual is very much aware about what is wrong and what is right. But what choices we make, that makes a difference. So the study was done in 1968 by American social psychologist Mr. Milton Rockage, and the survey is being listed and famous on his name itself, that is Rockage Value Survey. Later on he published this in a book form that is being famous by the name of Beliefs, Attitudes and Values. So he classified the nature of human behavior into two set of values, that are two types of values every individual possesses, and further listed 18 subset of values under those two values. So the two types of values are terminal values and instrumental values. By the definition, terminal values are the goals individual wants to achieve, the long term goals, what I want to become, right? Instrumental values are ways of achieving those goals. Like, I want to become a professor. What ways I am using to become a professor? Do I am indulging into the teaching practices? Do I am following the proper education system to reach at that level? That is instrumental values. So by the definition, terminal values are the goals, instrumental values are modes of behavior that is being used by an individual to achieve the terminal values. Further, the 18 set of terminal values are, I'll read it out: true friendship, mature love, self respect, happiness, equality, freedom, pleasure, social recognition, family security, national security, the world at peace, a comfortable life. According to the Rockich survey, he confined that these are the almost 18 set of goals that majority of individuals wants to achieve in their lifespan, or our long term goals or beliefs revolve around somehow these terminal values. And the ways we use to achieve those terminal values are instrumental values, that is through cheerfulness. For example, I want the world at peace. I want a comfortable life. That can be achieved with cheerfulness by being happy. Ambition, love, cleanliness, self control, capability, courage to accept, courage to take the risk, politeness, humbleness, honesty, imagination. If you want to discover something new, or not discover, if you want to invent something new, you need to be very good at imagining what will be the end result. Independence of thoughts is the far most important requirement nowadays. Intellect, broad mindedness, logic, obedience. One has to follow the norms. You need to be on time if you want to achieve something. Helpfulness, ready to help someone. Responsibility, not always demanding about what are my rights, always claiming about these are my rights, give me the space. No, you need to talk about, now we need to learn about, this is for what I'm responsible for. If I am here, suppose if we consider the how the benches look around you, so some are clean, some are messy. So whose responsibility is this? Whose property is this? Not only the college, the university's property, but also the property of the student. You are responsible to make it clean, right? And at the same time, forgiveness. Far most important. Forgive. Let go. Developing a feeling of let go. Nothing is superior than humanity. So these are the ways of achieving your long-term goals. So this is all about the introduction of values, value system, RVS, very famous survey by the name of Rockich Value Survey. Thank you. If you have any doubts, you can comment on the comment box.